Okay, I want to log into your account now. So remember, if you check your email, you should have gotten your cPanel detail. You understand? So you can just
Yes, I did.
copy it and save somewhere. So today, what we're going to be looking at is how to install WordPress. Understand? And probably maybe
Okay.
by next class, we'll learn how to customize so that we'll not bombard you guys with a lot of information. So when you go to
Okay.
manage, you go to product. From your product, you can just go to cPanel. But if you have that your cPanel login detail, you can just use the URL, put the username and password. But you can still from your name chip and log in directly to your cPanel. Also, remember, if you are using MTN network, you might want to use a free VPN or any VPN you have, because MTN network is always fluctuating on servers. Understand? Not all
Hello?
servers.
Hello, sir.
I didn't get you. You said if you are using MTN.
Yes, if you are using MTN network to browse, ensure you are using VPN so that it will not be timing you out.
Okay.
It will be timing you out. The MTN IP address normally change. So once the server detects change of IP address over a period of time, it will think that is a scammer. So it will log you out automatically. You get?
Okay.
So to avoid that, you just use a VPN that will just give you a stable IP address. You can see my IP address. This IP address will just be here for until I log out and log in again to assign a new IP address. And this is the IP address I'll use all through. Once this is connected, it will not change. You understand? So that
Okay,
consistency
sir.
is,
What's the name of the this thing you are using, VPN?
I'm using Proton VPN.
But you can use any VPN.
Of course, of course.
Okay.
Anyone you have, you can use. So let's visit our cPanel. Now this is our cPanel, just like we did in the last, we checked out in the last section. So this is your domain. If you visit your domain now, you can see that your domain is active and is XXL. You can see it's showing you index of, that means there's no file on it. You understand? So the domain is fully active, as you can see here. Now, what we are trying to do is to install WordPress on this your server. So you have to go down on your cPanel, just go down, go down, go down to a section where you find WordPress Manager by Software Clues. So I'm going to be clicking on this right now. Let me do something so that we'll not, let me just open it in a new browser so that it won't be difficult going back. So I'm going to click like this. So I'm going to leave this page in case we want to do anything here. We can still just come back here. So this is the software clues I was talking about. So what you need to do is, you can see right here, install. So install a fresh copy of WordPress. You understand? So this is what we want to do now. We want to install WordPress. The first thing I did was to click on this manage a WordPress by soft clues or whatever they call it. So the next thing I want to do is to install the WordPress. So I'm going to click on install. So the WordPress is about to install. So it's asking us which domain name we want to use. We're going to say we want to use this domain. Now, if there's some cases where you just want to have maybe some folders, you want to install maybe you want to create your WordPress inside a folder inside your domain. You understand? You'll be seeing something like Teflon store / stores. You understand? Then that means you have to put store here. You understand? You want when somebody wants to visit your website, if you type this Teflon stores, you won't see anything. But you want the whole site, maybe you want this Teflon to be a general something. Maybe you are building a WordPress that will have a general thing. You have a lot of things you are doing, and only a section of it is your store. Then you can do this method. But apart from that, just go straight and host your WordPress inside your domain directly. Now you can choose your the version of you want to see. This is the one they choose for us, so we just leave it that. That's the latest version according to what we have here. So we just leave it at that. Then what is your site name? Your site is this is Teflon stores. So we're going to just use that. I'm going to use that as the name of your site name. So what is your site description? You understand? So you can put where all these things can be changed, in the future, depending on what you are doing. You can always change that.
The site, sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
The site description, does it mean what I'm using the site for?
Yeah, just normal short description you see on websites. You understand? Just like this website I'm building, this is the description of this website. Tears Care and Maternity Hospital offer computational healthcare services, blah, 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 blah. So this is what you can always use ChatGPT to write that if you have you want to do that.
Obio, na kitchen utensils in there, sir.
No.
Let us keep it here. Let us keep it simple for now. So what is the admin username? This is the admin username you're going to be using to log in. So you can change it to whatever you want. Let's just change it to so this is your password. This is your admin name. So I think we're there. So the admin email, this is the admin email. We have not created this email, but you can still use any other thing you want. So let's use your email. So let's use your email. I think that will be cool. Okay. So this is select the plugins. For now, you can just leave all these plugins and protect your site against brute force attack by limiting the number of login attempts for your WordPress installation. If selected, Loginizer plugin will be installed and activated with your installation. You understand? So this is, you know, sometimes when you forget your password, you try a number of attempts, they will deny you to log in for certain number of duration. So if you want that, you can leave it up, but just let's leave all these plugins for now and just go straight to install. So basically what I did here is the website has already been chosen automatically. This server has only one website. That's why it's picking this one. If you have multiple, you would have seen you selecting the one you want to use. Yeah, you understand? Then the next thing we did was to put the site name, then put the description, then put the admin username, the password, and also your admin email. So I think that's all we did. Then we'll have to proceed to install. Any questions?
None for now.
So let's install this plugin, this WordPress. So as you can see, the process is going, we are 13%. So
okay,
the process has been completed. So this is the WordPress has been successfully installed at this. So if you go to this website, you see now this is the URL you use to visit your admin. This admin we created now. So
yes.
whenever I want to log into your admin, you have to use this URL to log into the admin. So this is basically your website. So when you go to your website, this is what the website was before. So now let's refresh and see. You see what it is now. Now, because of this WordPress we have installed, this is just the basic template you see whenever you install any WordPress site. You can see your site name here. So this is hello world, blah, blah, blah. This is the date of installation, blah, blah, blah. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, this is your website. This is your admin section. This is where you manage your site from. So what is your website all about? So e-commerce store. So let's pick e-commerce. So what is the name of your website? This is it. What are your goals for your website? Grow site traffic, get email subscribers, sell products, promote events, promote physical business, get phone calls, collect donation.
So what about sales services? What about sales services?
Okay.
Because you know the condition of the country.
Collect donation, blah blah blah. You know. So I think that's all you do for this website. Next.
Excuse me, sir. Okay.
What is that?
I would have said promote event. If I want to use it and promote an event, can I still use it and promote an event?
This guy. Now, story they do or you want they do events.
No, no. Say I'm dropping. Say I'm into clothing now, and I want to drop a clothing. I want to use it and promote that clothing. You get before
You
before
know
selling.
this stuff they are asking is just their own personal information. It's not as if it will have any effect on your site.
Okay, but you understand where I'm coming from.
I know, but that's what I'm saying. What you are seeing there is just their own information they are gathering.
Okay, for
They're
formalities.
not using it to serve you better, not as if any other special thing.
Okay, sir.
So let's just go next. Are they making this compulsory? We pick a design for your website. You can personalize this letter. Okay. So let's just choose any design. Let's look for the one that looks a bit like what you want to do. Okay, let's look at this. Next. Let's see what these guys are doing.
So, okay.
You said?
What's going on?
Are you not following the class?
So adding page content. I don't know whether I blinked and it got there.
Well, it's installing now. It's installing your WordPress,
Oh,
the
okay.
website. Okay, let's see what these guys have for us. Okay. So we are here. This is where you actually manage your website and do every other thing you need to do. So let's check the plugins we have here. Let's check our plugins. Let me see what they installed for us. My network is bad. I guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know why my network is this low. Okay. Now, sometimes you might just want to remove all these plugins, but let's just leave them for now. Now, the next place we need to go to, I will have just 10 minutes to log out, then you just log in again, remember. So we want to go to appearance. Under appearance, we need to go to themes. Are you following? Appearance theme. So you have to click on add new theme. Add new theme.
So this theme, what does it mean? Is it how a visitor will be seeing the website when they visit it?
Your theme is your design, like the design.
So like when someone visits the website, how it is designed, how the person will be seeing it, but
yes.
Okay.
Now when you go to new theme, search for Astra. Search for what? Astra. So you can see Astra here. This is Astra. This is one we want to use. There's a lot of other themes you can use, but this is the one we are going to be using for this class. So, but you can still go to YouTube and study about WordPress themes. You know, themes are if you go to your computer, you know that thing they say your theme, that's something that is just your design, your whole interface. I don't know if you get.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's your theme. Now we are picking this Astra theme now, so we are going to be installing it. Now under this theme now, there will not be other things under it, maybe different websites under this particular theme. I don't know if you get.
Yeah.
So
No,
let's
I don't
install.
understand.
Huh?
You said different website under the teams.
Yes. Just follow up, you will see what I'm doing. I've installed this theme, then I will activate this theme now. Are we together?
Yeah.
So I have activated this theme. So once this class log off, please you join over again. Try and join again so that we'll continue. Okay. So let's watch these theme details. So you can read about this Astra, see the features and what it stands for. So Astra is a fast, full, customizable, and beautiful WordPress theme suitable for blog, personal portfolio, business website, and WooCommerce storefront. It is very lightweight, less than 50 kilobytes on front end, and offer unparalleled speed built with SEO in mind. Astra comes with scheme.org, code integrated and native AMP ready to search engine. You understand? So this is some of the capability of what this Astra. So you just need to read through it and see what you can use it for. So there's, like I told you, there's a lot of other themes you can actually lay your hands on in this the whole thing. Okay, let's click on customize and check. So okay, we are still on this. Let's choose another. Sorry, let's choose another. another design. So you can see this, what this team mean, that everything that we are doing on this WordPress now will be working with this Astra. You understand? Astra is now the team that is controlling any of the design we are working with. I don't forget. So any website we choose now, you can see that this, what you'll be seeing here now, when I click on customize, what I'm seeing is that template we choose initially. That template, you see, there's a difference between theme and template. I don't forget. Now, your template is now your website, the website design you are working with. Now, the theme is what is actually controlling your template. I don't forget. Now, this is the template we choose. They made us choose that time we are creating this WordPress. Remember?
Yeah.
So why we choose that Astra theme? Because it has the features of e-commerce that we need, because what we are trying to do is something that later with e-commerce. But if we are doing something else that doesn't have to do with e-commerce, we might be looking at other themes that has those features that we need. I don't forget. I seen the difference between the whole theme and the template now. You get?
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah. This is the command market appearance. Okay. Ahead. No. Okay, there's something I want to show you. Now, this is the video about this abstract quick guide. You understand? So, in case you're having issue, most of these team come with their video explaining how you can go about the whole thing. I don't forget.
Yeah, I'm following.
So you can always look at them. So the next thing we're going to do is let's click on this starter template. Let's click on install and activate. What the fuck are these people giving me here? So please go to this top here. Some of these things have changed. The interface have changed. It's not the way they used to be before. So what we are going to be using is Elementor. Click on Elementor. You understand? So in case you are watching that video, it might look different from what you are seeing here, because I think this is a newer update. You understand?
So this Elementor, I don't know, is it compatible with the WordPress we are working on before?
Of course, now it is compatible with this Astra.
Oh, okay.
It's just for website building. You understand?
Okay.
There's a
Yeah.
lot of website builder, different, an AI builder, whatever, blog editor. But this Elementor is very popular, so you can always find a video on it if you're having issues. Now, the next we want to do is we are going to click on e-commerce. We're looking for e-commerce templates, right? What we are trying to do now
Yeah.
is just look for a template that will suit what we are doing. Are we together?
Yes.
We are looking for a template that will suit what we are doing. So that's what we are looking at now. So let's start looking out for a template that will serve the purpose, which is okay. Let us use that one now for the meantime.
Okay.
They have changed a lot of things. Or even okay, this one is premium. Premium, premium, premium. What went wrong? Okay. So let's uncheck this. Don't check this. So import customizer settings, import widgets, import content, share non-sensitive data. We don't want to share non-sensitive data with them. So what else? What else? Nothing. So we submit. So you can see we have completely installed this.
Yes, 100%. I can see the screen.
Yes, it's complete now. How far with our guy? So you can see this is your website now. You can visit your website and see what it looked like.
Okay.
So the next phase you're going to enter next time is customizing this, changing the pictures to something else you want it to be, and so on and so forth.
Okay.
All products.
How do I do that?
We're going to do it here now.
Okay.
That next class we're going to do. So I'll try and see if I can just this record and send it to you guys so that you watch. You understand? So you can visit your dashboard back. Now from this dashboard, this is where you can see all the pages. Now, as this thing was installed, it comes with all these pages and the graphics and the image. You can always remove them and put the newer designs you want. You get. So all you need to do is to go to pages. You'll see all the pages.
So how did you go to the pages again? Sorry.
When you go back to dashboard, your WordPress dashboard, you can just see pages. There's a place called pages. You see all the pages.
Okay.
Anyone you want, you can always edit it. And you can edit, you can see this one with Elementor. Can always edit
Yeah.
them. One with the Elementor is the one can always edit them. Contact us, home. So you can see some of these pages are appear twice. So you can edit them, change the content to what you want them to be. So if for the products, this is where you go. You can see all your products. I also think my network is kind of bad too because it's still loading like this, very crazy. So you can see all the products, right?
Yes.
You can delete all of them. You can add new products. So what you need to do is when you start using this, you need to be doing, definitely you're supposed to already know how to go about your market research. You know what you want. Any product you want, you definitely go to other websites, see their description. You can always copy for the meantime. But if you can create your own, do that. So if you click here on add new products, you can put the product name here. Let's say my big bang. So this is the product name. Can always add media or you add from this side, product picture.
Of
Yes.
the product.
Huh?
By adding media, that's the picture of the.
Yes. So the description, uh, let's go to Amazon. Let's just pick a product from Amazon and try to put it on your website. So let's look at this product. Uh, uh, okay, let's check out this product. Why is my network messing up? Why? Okay, let me download this image, save image to my system. Where did I save this image to? Wahala. Let me set it to my download. Then this is the title of this product. So if I want to go there and put it in the title, very long. So this is your product description. You can look up this description here. Uh, 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 uh. So okay, let's check these out. Um, and add it here too. This is just short description. So you can copy this. Let us put this in the short description. Then okay.
But you can still copy the long description, right?
I've already pasted it here now.
Okay.
I've already pasted
I
it
think
now.
how you pasted it.
Huh?
I was lost.
I do control, I copy, just copy and paste. Normal copy and paste. Copy and paste. You get?
Okay, okay. Yes.
There's nothing special I did. So this is the full description of this product. You might want to just copy them if you want. So just add it. Okay. So you put your price. This is where you put your level. The price this is $450.
It to Naira. If I want to change it to Naira, uncle.
Yeah, we'll look at it next tomorrow. You need to go to settings and do that.
Okay.
So okay, let's just add the image. So, but when you are doing your own, when you start doing something real, you need to know you have to take time and get your information, not just copy and paste like I'm doing here. I don't know if you get.
Yes, yes.
Uh, so I've set the picture. So if you have category, this is where you create your category. So maybe they have different categories like electronics. I don't know if you get. You can be adding different categories and so on and so forth. Huh? So if this is under electronics, you can be adding different categories. Now, just like you said, this is an e-commerce, you can be selling t-shirt, you can be selling bag. So all of them will now be on different categories. You can create as many categories you want. So whenever you are adding a new product, you select the category the product is going to appear under.
Okay.
Um, so I think what we need to do is just to publish. We click on publish here. The thing will go live. So it has been published. So when next you go to home,
But the picture of the product, I don't think the picture was
huh?
showed
The picture
after publishing.
uh, it did not show.
It.
I think we selected a picture. It's showing now. See it here.
Okay, okay,
Click here.
okay.
So when I click on it, I'll see the, you can see how it's appearing here. You can see.
Yeah.
So this is your description. You can see all the information I added is showing here. You can see it.
Yeah.
So you can add to cart. So by next class, we're looking at changing this to Naira, then how you can edit some of these pages, change the content. You already know how to add products now. So all you need to do is to delete or edit the existing products and add new ones. So you can see your add to cart is working, view your cart. Then we'll also look at how to add your, do you have a Flutterwave account?
No, I don't.
You need to create a Flutterwave account. And this your business, you need to register it on CAC. You understand?
Hello, sir. You said something about safety. Hello, sir.
You need to register this business on CAC.
It's the process. We are still in the process of registering it. CSC is
Ah,
a cock and a
since
half
that
issue.
time,
Since that time, I told you now. Yes.
are you sure the ones I've done since don't go? It's supposed to have been ready by now.
Can me low
Just
key or what?
just check it very well, sure.
I called him today. I will still call him again. I called him this afternoon.
So this is basically it. So continue next time. I'll try and share the video so that people follow up. Then I'll also share some related videos from YouTube so that you can also as well be following up. You understand?
Okay, sir.
Uh, so I think that will be all for now. So all these things by next class, we just look at how to edit them and add real content to them. Then you guys can just take over from there and start changing. So if it's going to be a big deal for you, all you need to do is to actually delete the one that is here and start adding new stuff for yourself. You understand?
If I want to access this page now, this website now, see it.
Okay. What did you say?
My website now. How do I access it?
I'm going to send you this WordPress login detail. Then you can see follow from your name chip, the way I just did. You
But if I don't
understand?
want to go through Namecheap,
You just use this now. Then again, there is your hosting details was sent to you in your email. You need to get that hosting
yeah,
detail. I don't know if you get. So
okay.
that if you want to log into your hosting account, you just use through there and log in. Then if
So
you
if
want to
I
log
click
into
on,
your WordPress admin, you follow this. I see my screen.
yes,
This is your WordPress admin. This is the login. This is for your name chip. Then that hosting, I don't have it. You have it, but you can still log into your hosting account through your server, which is your cPanel, through your Namecheap account.
okay. If I want to use, can I use this administrative URL? If I copy it and
Yeah, if you paste it now, you look at it. If you copy this and paste now, it's going to take you to where you're going to log in.
Okay.
This is what you are going to see in your in your own. I follow
Okay.
you.
Okay. Okay.
Then
Yes.
you put in your is it email? Okay, username or email, anyone you put to work. So let's put
Then with the part.
username, then your password, which is this. So this is what you see from your own end. You log in. It will bring you to this place. This is your WordPress dashboard. Are you following?
Yes.
So your website is already ready. I've done all the configuration, all those things we are doing those times. That's the configuration we are doing. You understand? Now it is
Yes.
time for you to start working on your site. So what can you do? You can go to your pages and edit your pages, or you can go to your products and add new products. You can add new category. You can add new tag. You understand? You can see all your
Mm.
products and edit, delete as the case may be. Then this appearance is where you manage your themes. Maybe in case in the future you don't like the template you're using, you can go to starter template and install a new template. I follow you.
Yes.
So that's it.
And if I want to see that place that we stored that laptop before.
Uh, Go to products, all products.
Okay.
This one, you see the products here. This is the one we added. You can say add new. Huh?
Okay.
Add new product. This is the one I added. This is the one that
Yes.
the system, the
The default.
yes. So anytime you want to
Okay.
add new one, you can just click on add new. You add new one.
Okay.
If you want to delete any of these, you can still delete them. Just select the particular one, go to here, select this drop down and move to trash. You get.
Yes.
So
After adding, and I want to see what it is like on my website. How do I go to my website and see what it is like?
just follow your URL now, your normal website URL. Your normal website URL. You get.
Okay.
You can go to all products. You see all the products. The recent ones you add is supposed to be on top. You understand? Depending on, you can see it.
Yes.
Uh, so that's it.
All right.
Okay, guys. Good night. Let me go and eat. See you
Okay,
guys.
sir.
Uh, I'll try my best to send these videos so that you guys can start practicing. I want you, if you can, you can just start practicing by adding new products so that you get familiar with it. You get.
Okay, sir.
I'll try also
Yes.
to send you one video a Nigerian guy did, just that the guy will be a little bit fast because he's just a YouTuber. You know how they can be fast with their video, but still, you can get one or two things from there. It's still the same thing I did. You can
All
see
right,
that.
sir.
Yes, you can see some other setups. So if you can try and add or even possibly edit some of these products and put your own products. So you can click on edit. You get.
Yes.
So when you click on edit, you can change the name to whatever you want it to be, change the description, then change the image, remove the image that is here already. and add your own. You get?
Yes.
So what you need to do is just to pay attention, see what they have done in their own, and improve on it. Okay? See you guys. Good night. Okay, go on.
Please, for you to go to the cPanel, is it like right clicking and going to inspection to inspect the site through that place? You now see the code.
Oh, no. If for you to go through cPanel, you gotta log in na cPanel. Don't be alright, go cPanel detail. You
Okay.
understand? So cPanel, we ever high by that day where we from and installed WordPress. Before we had,
Yes.
we created password and username for this place we are now. This is the
Yeah,
WordPress
guys,
management. Yes, this is the WordPress management section. Before you get here, you have to pass through cPanel and create your WordPress through your cPanel. Then, after creating the WordPress, installing it, and then you generate your username and password before you now be able to see this. On a normal day, you cannot come here until you install your through the cPanel. Now, somebody that is a smart guy who don't need to start coming here. If you want to code through the cPanel, you just write the code through the cPanel and come. Or if you are a programmer and you are building your work on your laptop, just like I'm building this project on my laptop now. When I'm done with this project, I have to copy it and put on my cPanel. I don't forget. I don't need to start coming here. But why I'm coming here, because this is WordPress, and WordPress is just about, is a no code kind of process of building websites. So it's something that was created for people who are having issues learning how to code, so that you don't need to start going through the process of coding. But there are things that will come up you need to enter inside code. That's why they even give you options like under your, is it settings? No, it's not settings. There's a place. Okay, let me look for it. There's where you can edit your code. This theme file editor. Now, you can edit your code through here, but it will come to a point, this place, you can see they are telling you, they are giving you a warning. From here now, you can alter the codes. You understand? If you code this site, are you seeing it? So you can alter the code of this. You can see your footer here. You can see the code that made up your footer. You can see your header. You can see the index. You can see all the code that made up this thing. But me now, if I want to edit this thing, I don't need to start coming here, because I know that here now they are giving me few information. But when I enter through the cPanel, I'm seeing everything the way it is. I'm not limited to what they give to me, because this is not all that is in this WordPress. There's more to it here. And the way that it will affect this code might not be the way it will affect it when I walk through the cPanel, because I'm actually directly doing the whole thing there. So I don't know if you get. So these are the things here, but you don't need to start coming here. You can still be a good WordPresser without writing even a single line of code. All you need to know is that there are people that have mastered this WordPress that they can do and undo. Understand? They just need to understand how to go about it. Now, going back to what we are saying, from appearance, you can go to customization. This is where you click it for. This is
okay, yeah.
Yes. So when you come, it's just a normal thing with WordPress. Once you come to WordPress, you must see appearance, you must see customization once you are done installing the theme. You understand? Definitely. So these are where you do your basic changes, but that doesn't mean this is where you do all the changes. certain things might be very difficult to edit here. Maybe you want to change this text now. You might not be able to do it here. You might still need to go somewhere else. You might want to change some of these images. You might not be able to achieve it here. You might need to still go some other places to do that. But the ones you can do, all you need to do is to study what you can be able to do from here. You understand? Just like be able to change this, we can change, look at other things we can be able to change from here. Some templates, you install some of the themes, they will allow you to edit directly here. You understand? Like you can edit directly here, you can change image directly here. It depends on the theme you are using. You understand? You see how this thing is telling you more option available in Pro. Maybe when you now install the Pro will now come with features that can even allow you to edit directly here. They won't want to stress you. I don't know if you get. So that's just the thing. So under global, you can see things like topography. Now this is where you can change your topography, the headings,
Hello?
kind of headings you want to use, and some other things. You can see your paragraph, other things you can affect how big this thing can be. So by choosing this thing, but you have to be careful what you are doing. So you can see your colors. This is where you can choose your primary color. See, this is the color the site is using currently now. So it's here and can now. If you
Yeah.
it's changing color. So this is where you change the theme color. So you can also pick your own color here and edit it by yourself. So, but we're not saving that. We're just using the primary color. But you, as the owner of the site, you could say my color, your theme, your color, the Mazan key they use. So this is the layout. For the layout on they use, you can change the layout, any layout feature. This is the normal layout on they use now. You can change it. You can affect the width of the container. This is the width. So this is the height. You can change it to whatever you want to do. So these are your buttons. This is where you can change it. Before you use all these buttons, then the button will be like this. Use any of these buttons you choose, the button will be like that. And so on and so forth. This is just where you do your basic customization of the enter. This is your scroll top, and so on and so forth. So why I'm showing all these things is that all you need to do for yourself, if you want to go far, just go to domain, install theme, start playing with it. When you're done playing with it, you delete it, add another theme, start playing with it. When you're done, you can add another one, just master as much you can do. Don't wait until you get a job or you have something. You can use that your particular domain, be playing with it. You can uninstall a theme, put a new one, start it all over again. Just keep practicing it. It will still work for you. So this site logo, cart, primary menu. So this is where you can look at it. You can see where you can change it from. You understand? So this is your cart. So let's see what we can do. The phone kind of use here, which is this. So you can change it to this. Yeah. If we not change it,
Yeah.
this is the one we're using before. You can see.
Yeah.
These are the things you can do with it. So these are the options they give to you. You just have to play around with it. So this is your primary menu. I think we have worked on it. The configure menu from here. So you can see import link, main menu, blah, blah, blah. So click link.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
The way these things is already like the home page, the product page, about page, contact us page, and accounts. How does I separate now? At what point everything are decoded on like or publish here? everything are decoded like glued together. Abuse like a correct website.
It's already a website now. What else are you meaning? Jikotono already. It's a website already. You can start using this thing like this. People can visit it like this. It's working. It's working. So this is your header bidder. Check around with it, play around with it. Log the sidebar, the footer. So this is your footer. So you can always change it. Your copyright section, powered by Teflon, your HTML widget, social media. So this is, let's click on this and see what we can do. So
Okay, so another question. From this website, can you build a single page landing page? A single page, like sales page or landing page with this WordPress?
why not? Why not? There are
Okay, to
pages.
build it now. To build it now, Ogabuzi Ingewefwezi like product, web contact, also one page, more like the home page.
Why would you even want to stress yourself to start using this to do one page? There are one page websites. You go for teams that are one page websites.
Okay, they are one page teams.
When you search for sales page, you have a sales page. I don't even get.
Kevin Wiki search, yeah.
And in this team, install your theme, your template. You can install a template. That's just one page. WordPress.
When you go so can Wiki search like sales page.
So you can your let's look at your team. Look at these landing pages.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean this. So I don't want to spoil what we are building here. I don't forget.
But I just ensure he go say maybe Wiki search well. That's all.
Let me look at your team. So from this team now, imagine when you install a team and you're done installing this particular team, there's something they call the starter template. From this starter template now, you can search for a template you can use. You understand? Just like we are like it's actually for sales page, or probably if you have any other one. Let's look at things we have here. Let's look at one. So you can see if we are now is a single page, but not premium. It's just a single page. There's other ones that are just single page, which you can use. And when you talk about sales page, doesn't mean a sales page can have multiple pages. I still have other pages within it. But there's one thing there's something you know about a sales page. When you come to a sales page, you know that it's a sales page because it will be targeting on a particular product. I don't forget. It's talking about a particular something. So that's when you now say this is a sale page. But that doesn't mean that sale page cannot have other pages you can navigate through. But still, this WordPress we are using, you can still use it can still convert it to sell page if it's fit what you're trying to do. I don't know if you get. You can still you can still delete all those pages. Am I got that? So those pages there they can. What you need to do is to just from here look for page that suits your need. When you find the page that suits your need, then you just go with that page. So one thing you need to know that any page can be transformed or converted to whatever you want it to be. Any page can be converted to whatever you want it to be. So that's just the thing. But the thing is that when you are looking for a sales page, you definitely know you have to look for something that looks more like a sales page. Or you just, try to build something. You can still build something from scratch. But there's a lot of free templates on the internet. So much free template you can use to do whatever you want to do. So it mustn't be this method. You understand? Why we are coming here is that we are using what is the name? We are using this Astra. There's other team you might install. You might be seeing different team there, see different templates there. So it all depends. It all depends. So there's other teams you can when you are trying, maybe you want to build a blog website. There's some teams that are very good for blogging. There are some teams that are good for different things. So you choose the one that suits you better.
All right, sir.
So
I tried adding a product. I actually added a product. I don't know if you saw it. Maybe you check the product section so you can check the one I did.
okay, let me look at it.
But the image was not showing. Yeah, I don't know what the problem was.
You didn't add the image. This is it.
I added image, you.
No, you didn't add the image. There's a place you're supposed to add the image. At the let me just show you that.
But I added the image. If you check, if you go to product, like post, pages and products, maybe please can you go there so you see what I'm trying to explain?
No problem. I'll go there now. So under pages now.
No, products.
Okay, yeah, products. Why are you coming back? We are done with you. We're done with you. So under products.
Yes.
All products.
Yes. Scroll down.
This is one you added, and your title is too big.
Okay, it's too big.
It's like you added the content where the title is supposed to be. You understand? So let's click on edit and see your work. This place is not for, this is just your title. Huh?
Okay.
This is where you added, that's what I'm telling you. You didn't add image. What you just added was.
This is the image
That's what I'm saying. You didn't add it where you're supposed to add it now.
Okay. Where was I supposed to add the image?
So this is where the write-up is supposed to be.
Check.
This is where a write-up is supposed to be.
Boom. Who is woman?
So this title is supposed to be men leather bag. This is just your title. You get.
Okay. Yes.
So then other things can come in here. Other small description. This is where your price is supposed to be. You don't need to put this 0.00, whatever.
How do you change this $sign to naira?
No, it's automatic. Okay.
You can change it. You can change it. Then you can put your short description here too. Maybe short description could be just the beginning of just a few write-up from this. Just put it here or something different. So this is where you add your image. There's where they say featured image, featured product.
I think it's down.
Huh?
Okay.
Product image. I've set product image. So this is where you now set it. So this is your bag. Now I can select it here now and put it here. Now it will now show. So if I update it now, you guys are now also the image you added.
Okay.
So what you did before was wrong. So if I go now and this is your product, when I refresh now, I can start seeing the image showing on it. If we go,
Yes.
so and if we go now, the title. So if even my own title was big, I just copied and paste. So you don't need to follow my footstep. Follow the footstep of the right thing. You get. So you have to delete all these products here. So how do you delete? So that you start adding your own product. Your site they go again, customize the way you want it to be. You get. So it's just something you have to do over times, gradually. Start adding products one after the other. So you can now come here and check all these products. You understand? So I can check all these products. You can see them. Then uncheck the ones I don't want to delete. Maybe I want to leave this one and this one. Then other ones I can now come here and say move to trash. So to move all of them to trash, or probably I can delete it completely from trash when I'm done. But first you have to move to trash before you can move to somewhere else. So when you go back to this website, you can see that we just have 2 products completely. Everything is gone. You understand? So you can now start taking your time to add your product gradually. Add your product gradually. Let's edit this guy. So so this could be the title now. HD laptop, Intel i3, blah, blah, blah. You get. Then I can update here. So when next I go, my listen will be looking better. You can see it's now looking okay. So now I will also advise you when you're publishing, try and use the same size. Make sure your image, that means you have to start learning how to do image editing image, then make sure all your image have the same width and height. You understand? Then if you don't want them to have background, make sure they are PNG images so that they won't come with background, so that they will be looking nice. You can see this is not looking nice. So you can see this has a background, white background, and this one is having white background, which is not making sense. And the sizes are different. You can see this one is longer, this one is shorter. So you have to, these are the things you need to start learning also, so that when somebody comes into your website, it will look nice. So you don't just look anyhow. So any product you click can add to cart, and you understand, so on and so forth. So you can add to cart and purchase. So
Okay.
this thing, I copied it from Amazon. So I copied it as a table. I pasted, that's why it's appearing as table. So when you want to put something on a tabular form, you can just, first of all, maybe on your Microsoft Word, design it as a table, copy it and paste it. It will just appear the way you design it. You get?
Yeah.
Also, they still have, I think they have options for, they have table, they should have table option. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think they have, but once you paste anything as a table, it will definitely come out as a table for you. You get, as you can see here. So I hope this is making some sense. Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah,
So
it is.
Yes.
I think there's a place you can change your price. I need to just check that thing very well. You can change, let me check it.
Same place we set the price from the product. We go down, down, down.
Well, there's a general place you can change your currency to
Okay,
naira
okay.
or dollar or whatever you want it to be. So I'm looking, let's check if it's here, currency. Oh, it's not here. So there's a particular place. Let's check this WooCommerce settings. Let's see if that's where it will have it. Okay, I think this is United States. Are you sure? Let's try it and see. Let's look for Nigerian Naira. Let's look at that very well before we go and start changing it. Country, state, okay, not this. What was there? US.
Yeah, United States.
Is it Alaska was there? We saw.
They did not specify. They just show United States. California.
I remember. So this is where you set your currency. You can see currency now. So if you set this to Nigerian Naira, so everything from this side will change to Nigerian Naira automatically. That means we need to change this country to Nigeria so that everything will line. Are we together?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's just set it Nigeria. Will it work? Okay, let's say to Lagos. Lagos is the most populous city in Nigeria. So let's use it, Lagos. Let's update. So you can see here, this is where it sets most of the things that concern currency. And in general WooCommerce, everything that has to do with your sales. I think here is where your payment also comes in, where your integration also comes in. So in case you want to integrate payment gateway, direct bank transfer. So you can see all these things are off. Cash delivery, cash on delivery. So this is check payment. This is direct bank transfer. So whichever one you want, if you want to use Paystack, I think this is where you do the setup. So you have to get the Paystack API. So and get started and put it. Everything that concerning WooCommerce as buying and selling happens there. This is where you do the setup, your email integration, advance, and all that. So let's check the website. I think we have saved that. So let's see if our currency have changed. It has not to.
Maybe we should refresh.
I am refreshing. Okay. It appeared and left. This is magic. Let's check a new browser. Maybe because of catch. Okay, it's our catch that is doing that. So it has changed to Naira, as you can see.
Mm.
It was the catch that was doing that. So everything currently now is in Naira. So you can see all the prices is now. This one is still showing in dollar. Okay, let's check our setup. Or let's look at this. I think this thing is going to database directly. So you need to add new products so that it will have effect on that. So let's try adding a new product. Let's see if that could be the reason. Maybe it's saving it automatically. It has changed here. It has changed here. Let us update and see. Let's edit it and update. It's supposed to have taken effect. Because once you change that, the whole entire site is supposed to have changed automatically. Great. Okay. Let's just create a new browser. Everything's supposed to change now. So you can see that everything is in Naira. Are we together?
Yeah.
So it's your browser that is our browser that is doing that. So these are some of the things you need to also be learning. So when you make a change and you're looking for it on your browser and it's not changing, You might be thinking there's a problem. Just create a new private browser that doesn't have your cache on it. Like if you don't want to clear your cache, then create a new private window. So when you create it, you run that page there again. The changes will affect. If it doesn't affect, that means you have to check again or use another device to check it before you can conclude that what you've done didn't take effect. Are we together?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
are we together? So let's go
Yeah.
to pages. Let's see how you can still edit your page as well if you want to. So our front page, let's go to our home page. This is your home page. This is the front page. You can edit it with Elementor. So let's click on edit with Elementor. Now Elementor can help you to edit your pages very well. So you can be able to change some of the text and go. So let's try loading with Elementor. Let's see what we can do with it. So it's not only Elementor you can edit with, there are other editors you can work with. So it depends on the one you are familiar with. There's a lot of editors. Oh, what is happening here? You are blocking my view. You're blocking my view. Continue. Okay. So you can see with Elementor now, we can edit these things. Are you seeing that? So whatever I want to edit now, I can edit it. So I can come here and we print what you want. So we can make it smaller because it's already bigger. I have more text now. Are you seeing that? So you can still update it and check if you want. Maybe if you leave it at H1. So let's update and check on the browser and see if how big it is. If it's okay, we'll leave it. If it's not okay, we can reduce it. I think it's okay. Welcome to Test Phone Store, your one-stop shop. Best quality products. So when you get your this, you can then this thing, click edit button, blah blah blah. So you can still move on to that one and edit it. So your update. So this is basically how you can go about, or you see your image too. You can change your image here directly. If you don't want this image, you can change it. That's one good thing about Elementor. So you can see Elementor is just a better stuff for you now to go about editing. Anything you want to change, these images now, You can even convert them to your own images. Are we following?
Yes, sir.
Then anything you don't like, maybe you don't like this section, you can just click on delete it, it will go. If you want more section, you can add more section. If you want more section, you can add. Anything you want is possible. You can add. That's if you start knowing how to build more pages, you can build all these things. You can now change it. Now this is where your ChatGPT will help you very well. Because me now, when I'm building a website, this is a website I'm building, this clinic website now, the current project I'm working on, this clinic website, you can see all my content. This is where I'll just come and tell ChatGPT, you understand, building a hospital website for the name of the hospital and maternity hospital. Write me a homepage website content and about us and other necessary information. So once I put it, you can see to start generating all the content for me. The one for my homepage, the one for our services, contact us, the rest of other information, even my frequently asked questions, everything will just be generated. Then it's now left for me to start putting them where I want. So for your own case now, since your website is
E-commerce.
yeah, so you can come here and say, hi, I'm building an e-commerce website where people can buy all kinds of electronics. Can you please help me write the home page website content? We e-commerce. The website's name is space here. Then you can give it all that relevant information, even your email, your phone number, your address, so that when it is filling it, to be filling all this information, you don't need to start telling you put your address here, you know, this kind of thing. You can just feed all the information to him. You can now start using it to write stuff for you. You get.
Yeah.
You can see now, welcome to test phone store. So I can just copy this and that could be my starting. So you can see ChatGPT have already helped me get this content. If the one I wrote here, I'm not proud of it, I can just put this. Sorry. I just need you. One. Okay, we just have to put this here, then update. So we are good to go. Then you also go down. You can see at Teflon, we passionate about connecting you with latest electronic marvels. You can copy this from cutting edge gadget, blah, blah, blah. If this will not be too lengthy, you can still copy the entire chapter and go here and put it. So let's try it. Okay, let's update. So let's try and see what we have here. So, okay, welcome to test form, your ultimate destination for electronics. You can see this is going well. So so this is how you just keep building. We have 10 minutes to go. This is how you just keep building your pages. You can see they even have AI for you to write. AI can help you write. So text color, this is where you can add text color. So you can always pick color here if you don't like any. You can see that. Are we together? So you can see you can do and undo.
Yes, we are with you.
So I'm just giving you, this is how you start building your page gradually. It might take you a while if you're a beginner. It can take you a while to do that. But when you have mastered the process, you can see that you don't need to. So you have to know what your brand color is also. You need to know what brand color you are using. So here now, okay, let me just give you guys more tips. There's a place called Free Pick. You can go there and be getting images. There's all these images you see they use in stores. You understand? You can get those images. You can see someone shopping. Okay, fine girl shopping. So let's search for fine girl. Just think about things that you can search that will give you. So depending on what you are looking for, you can get that. You can see all these things. These are kind of things you need to put on that front page. You understand? So look for the one that will be very attractive to your shopping. Let's put electronics. Let's see if we can get something. If we can't see anything that will be sweet in electronics, then probably just keep it simple with that. So let's check. So I think I like this one. Okay, let's just pick one. Let's just pick one. This one is making a little bit sense. But if it's me, I'll just take time and start looking for what I want. I don't know if you get. So because of the time we have, so let's just go for this for now. So please try and get a browser, I mean a proxy, so that this thing allow you to download only 4 images in a day. You understand? Or I don't know. So when you get that, you can now check this image. What's the size? Sometimes if the size is too big, you need to reduce it before your you can now put it on this software that remove background. You understand? Does
Remove BG.
yes. So sometimes if the image is too big, you have to use if you have all these editors, you can just use it to reduce the size of the image before BG remove BG can be able to work on it. So what you need to do is to download this. So when we download, we go back to here. So remember, I want to change this to be much better. So we have to choose an image. So let's click on upload. So let's select that image. We remove the background we're trying to use. So we're importing. So you can always put your alternative text here, whatever I want your alternative, and the description of the image, whatever I want the image. It's always good for your SEO. So there's one we call SEO. Please go and read about SEO if you don't know about it. So things that will make
Search engine optimization.
Yes, these are things that you need to put your alternative text, put your caption, put your description for your images. It's very important. So whatever this image is talking about, search it. That's why sometimes when you go to Google, when you search about image, you search about something, images are coming out. Those images are coming out because they have connection to what you are searching. You understand? Like this title of this image is Black Friday shopping, surprise woman. So if somebody search something on Black Friday shopping, you definitely, this image is likely to come out. You understand? So you can put other things that somebody can find this image with. So that's why you start, when you go to Facebook, when they are trying to describe an image, you start seeing them describing uh, image of somebody doing this, holding, they'll just keep writing. Have you seen the alternative text of image from Facebook? It's very lengthy. So they just try to describe that image the way they'll just keep writing things. So I think it's AI that is generating that thing for them. The AI will scan through that image and start generating text for that image, then use it as the alternative text. All those things are good for SEO. So that's why sometimes when you say you search, you want to buy iPhone, you can see Jumia and Konga coming up. They are not coming up by mistake. They are well optimized. They have experts doing the SEO for them. So we are selecting this guy, this girl. So you can see she's in place now. So there's something I also noticed about this remove BG. I think it reduces the quality of images. So if there's any other alternative, something you're going to be using to do that, fine. So I have others. I have my, well, I don't, that wasn't a long process, you understand, but still, this is not too bad from the whole thing. It's not too bad. So you can see the site is taking a different look already. I think things are becoming, uh, looking more like a shop, right? So this is
Yeah.
just the basic way to do that. I think this is too big. This is too big. Can we reduce it small? Let's see if H2 work. Okay, let's check. So I think this is better. So you can see how the whole thing is taking shape and it's getting better. Now you have to get images that will replace this. So definitely you have to be coming here to pick up some nice images of things. So let's still get more fine girls we're going to use. Let's still get this. Okay, let me try this. She's holding a phone. So let's download. So let's search for electronic shop. Let's see what we can find here. So let's pick up this. I think this is good. No, this is an ad. But if you can edit it, you can always pick what your hair, something like this is good. Something like this is good. Well, let's check out this one. So, yeah. You can see our limit we have exhausted our limit. So that's why you need to can go to another browser and try to download from there. Let's check. So if you are using VPN, you can just change your location so that to give you some so I need to change my location before I can be able to download any other thing. So let me see if I can create a browser, if you can allow me. So the next alternative is just to change your location. So you can see I'm not allowed. So it's just to change your location. So and you can be able to download it. So let me just do normal download here. Here. Just save. Okay. So I'm going back to here. So this you're changing it to something else. So we're uploading. Let's upload. So we are changing it to this. This image is too big. So these are the things I'm saying. You need to work on your images so that I don't just keep uploading big images. You can see this is 13 MB, so it's too big. So what if I will advise you, look at it, just right click on this, open it with your paint. I don't know, everybody have paint on their laptop. So when you open with paint, so try to save it again as something else, or you can reduce the size of the image using paint. But what I would advise you first is just to save as. So when you save as, it will reduce the quality of that image. Maybe I'll just save it as one dex. Let me save it as one dex. So I will check whether this one dex. So you can see it has reduced this image to, let's see, let's check the property. It's still big, 5 MB. So the best alternative now is what you do next is, let me see if you can use paint to achieve that. You can reduce the dimension of that image. So what you need to do is come here by the edge here, reduce it. This is not working the way I want. It's not reducing the way I want. So let me try saving it again, whether it will reduce the quality one more time. Let me say save again. Let's save again. Yes. It's still the same. So if it's me, what I normally do, I don't know whatever picture editor you have in your system is good. You can still use it. So I open it with my Fireworks. So I have different editor. I work with different editor that help me to achieve my goal. So what I do next is to open this with editor. You can see the dimension of this image is 6,952 by 4,000. So it's very large. So we have to reduce it to maybe around 1,000 or thereabout, so that at least you can be able to save it comfortably. So I click on the image, and what I want to do is just to resize it. So I resize from the edge, you can see. So I resize it, then fit it back to canvas. You can see now it's just 2,000 by 1,000. So when I save this image, by now it have lost some of its size. It might not lose its quality that much, though its quality will definitely drop. I see my screen.
Yes.
Have I been sharing?
Yes.
Yes.
So when I check this, you can see that reduced to 857 kilobytes. So it's less than 1 MB. Now, the importance of what I did now is when people come to your website and it's too heavy, it's crazy. You can see even the upload didn't go through because it's too heavy. So let's try uploading again, because they know definitely people coming to your website is going to be very tough thing for them to view those images. Imagine an image of 13 MB. So it's going to take away 13 MB from every user that come into your website. So if somebody has like 100 MB coming to your website, you know that person is dead already. Because just before one image will load, that 100 MB is gone. So that's why I have to make everything as light as possible. So you can see we have customized this, then you can always change your write-up. So let's do this as to this too. So remember, just make sure you get the perfect sizes for the images you are putting. This is for, so let's change this as well. So let's reduce this so that we can be able to use it. So I'll go back to my and upload. Select. Oh, I think this image is too big, but let's manage it. So make sure that any image you are using, make sure that at least is below 1
MB.
1 MB. So let's look at this. This one is 71 kilobyte. Is good. It's good. So let's try using that. So let's select. So let's update now. Let's do our updating. So when next we visit our website, at least it will start looking more like a shopping page. You can see that. So we are progressing. So this is just basically what it entails. So you do this, you remember all these other pages, you don't need much things. You don't need to do anything on this page. I don't think you need to do anything on this page. Apart from this footer you need to work on. So about us page is just putting the about us content. You understand? So put about us content. There's no need for you guys showing your faces. So you have to delete these ones entirely. Then whatever you need to put here, put it. Whatever your best quality, worldwide shipping, best quality, whatever, secure payments, fine. You can always do all these ones. So the same thing with contact. You can just put your contact details for my account section. So in this account section, that's if you allow people to create accounts on the site, fine. So I hope this is making sense.
Yes, sir.
So anything is editable here. Everything is editable. So you just need to work on them and put them in the right order they're supposed to be. Oh, these people don't come. So I think Obiora, I want you to start doing one or two things on this page. Then those who have, I think you guys have access to this. You log in through the WordPress login section and see what you guys can do there. So there's no other way. Now this will, when you start the do, will enter your hand. You understand?
So I have a question.
Okay. Ask your question.
If someone comes to buy something from this site now,
Mm.
do I necessarily have to attach a payment gateway like a Flutterwave and etc. before the person can be able to pay?
You already see there's different options for you. So it depends on the one you go for. You can mostly Nigerians, they want pay on delivery.
Pay on delivery. Yes.
Yes. So this is the one that work very well for drop shippings and co. So under integration under payment, you need to choose this cash on delivery.
Okay.
You can say enable cash on delivery. Cash on delivery. Pay with cash upon delivery. Shipping method. You can say it's free shipping. I don't know if you get. So
yeah,
normally. So what is COD? Okay.
maybe cash on delivery.
Okay, cash on delivery. So let's save this. So let's see what this will do for us on this website. So I want to close this and open a new tab. So let me try all products. I'll click this. Okay. Add to cart. View cart. Proceed to checkout. So you can see this is where it will now collect the person's billing details. I don't forget. So now the person will place order. Let's Nigeria. So you can put the order details.
Bonbon is nothing.
Emeyi.
Bonbon. If we are no, guy, you be my farm.
So the order has been placed. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So I don't know, check your email whether the order is coming to your email. It's supposed to come to your email.
Okay, let me check.
Is it your email we use or info? I don't know which one we use. Just check your email. Then I can still refresh this site and see where orders are coming. The order is already showing here. But check your email if it's showing. I don't know. But the order is already here. You can see when you log in, that means you have to be checking your dashboard regularly to know when you get orders. So you can see the orders, the order that just came in.
I will drop the email that came in. I don't think the mail that came into my my mailbox, it wasn't an order.
What is this saying?
An order. I dropped it on the group chat.
Just read it out. I don't want to open my WhatsApp.
Okay, it said payment gateway, cash on delivery enabled.
Okay, that one is
WordPress.
we just enabled it. So
Okay.
let's check this WooCommerce these settings again. So let's see if there's a place. Let's check the email so that we can check whether the email is coming in. So let's new order. Name from address is sending to here. Receive email notification with additional guide to complete the basic store setup and inside. So now. It's coming to this email. Why is it not coming? Recipient. Check your this
My email.
check your spam.
Okay.
Should be on spam.
Because everything is pointing to your email. I don't know.
Work when I go send my spam.
Okay. Yeah.
And that email will be better because sometimes maybe say I went out, I might not be carrying my system around to be able to log into my admin, checking my dashboard all the time.
Let's check report. Well, let's see. So, I think all this is order on hold. New orders, recipients. You're the one receiving. Is this not your email?
It is.
Failed order. If all these things are coming to you, order on hold is the customer that is receiving it. Complete order, customer. New orders. But this one is you that are receiving it. New order is supposed to come to you. Cancelled order received to you. Failed order coming to you. So I don't know why it's not coming. Oh,
Maybe you should give it a little time or something like that. Maybe.
let's level this. Let's see. So that's the thing. To So I think everything, this your site is working already. This site is working. Like somebody can use it and do. If you change all this, your write-up, somebody can start placing order with it and buying stuff. Just like that. So you already have a store. So all you need to do is now take your time and change this content. Then start adding more products to it. Look at other websites, get small. You don't need it to be too, you don't need the site to have too much thing. You get just
Yes, sir.
only this product section, you just add more product to it and you are good to go. You are very, very much good to go. So for other pages, it's still do the same way I'm editing the home page now. That's the same way you can edit other pages as well. You get, so whichever page you visit, like this about us page, you understand? So this about us page now, you can just click on, let's open it in another browser. So the same way, just start editing all this content. That's where you just be doing it. Edit. Then if by any chance you want to add new stuff, you can click and add new stuff. So like this, if I need a container, if I need a grid, if I need an image, can just bring them. Let me try and see. So you can see I just added one. Just added one. So inside this container now, if I want to add image to it, I can click and add it and see. So if I want the image now to be something I want, I can now change the image to what I want. So you can always do and undo. You can add new stuff. So everything is possible. If I update this, the next time you go to the About Us page, you'll be seeing that section. So if I go to About Us now, so you can always add new stuff if you want. You can see that.
Yes, sir.
So so even if the page doesn't have content, you can start creating the content yourself, add new stuff. So, but the thing is that you need to start doing something. That's just the cocoa. So no matter how I try to explain it till tomorrow, you're not going to enter until you start doing something, you start practicalizing yourself. Then getting your hands dirty, that's the only thing that can help you to perfect. Then much more videos, everything is set. The site is ready to operate. So you can start placing orders on this site. People can buy something on this site now and you deliver it to them. So you can start thinking of your real product you do. Then look for better place to get images and co and the rest of that so that everything will be working for you perfectly. So um, so the next thing we're going to do in the next class is just going back to the ads. Facebook ads again. You understand? So you guys take time. I want next time I'm visiting this site, I don't want to be seeing this logo again. And I want this homepage to be changed. I want you to put your content here, everything. Put your logo here. Then change content. Change all these images. Write up. Make sure give the write up. Put new images here. Nigerian people. Put their comment. And delete. Remove this one. You don't need it. Edit anything that needs to be edited. Put your Facebook link and edit this text. On the footer section, you can do it. So change other things, make this thing, put another image, put 2 images that have the same size, maybe right here. Then this one, long one, is okay. Just do something creative, add new stuff. I want to see new stuffs in this by next class. So the next class now, we'll be going back to adding pixels to this side, then using it to run Facebook ads. So we have to set up ad. So if you set up your Facebook account, so probably we'll be running ad from your Facebook account to here, so that though I will be doing it on my own account, then you can do on your own. So when I'm doing it, I'm teaching you guys, you can set the pixels here, then you later have to copy and update your own. Update this one with your own pixel, so that when you run ad, so budget like 5,000 you upload on your Facebook, you use it to set up an ad and start running the ad. So before next class, put real products here. Just find products you can sell, product that you can get your hands on, whether you're going to make profit from it or not. Just put it here and try and run a Facebook ad of 5,000 naira. So we'll promote it with this your website. So by next class, make sure that the about us, you're already putting your about us, you are putting your contact details and the rest of other information. Delete whatever is not necessary. You don't need much content on your site right now. So when your site start growing, that's when you'll be needing more content. But for now, just keep it simple. Then put other things. Target this product page and let's promote it and see what will become of it. So you maybe be promoting just one product. So what we need to do is, this is how they normally do it. You can just open this particular product in the description section, copy this URL of this product and use it to promote it. So when people are clicking, people will be landing on this page directly, going through this product. So you are promoting only one product. Then if you want to promote the entire site, you can still promote the entire site. If you want to promote a particular product, you can promote. So just find a particular product you want to sell. Then that's the products that will be promoted. So put everything in order. I want next class, all these things to be good. If you don't know how to do, go and watch video on YouTube or use the ones I've taught you already. I think I've given out more information, or watch the video I sent on the YouTube, on the group chat. There's the first video I sent today. Go and watch it. It still has to do with the same template. So I saw this same template. That's the guy. You can see how the guys edited it to look different. So go and watch that video. And so I find a template so that I will not say that the template is different. So the same template the guy worked on. So, any questions?
I think I quite understand the whole thing. So but with practice, I will learn better with process.
No problem. No, perfect. So, good night, everybody. See you guys next class.
All right. Good night. Please, we'll be
Good night.
looking forward to